Hey everyone, you're watching Flutter with Anand, and today we are discussing about Dart fundamentals. In the previous lecture video, we will discuss about what are break and continue statements in Dart. In this video, we just go through what are functions in Dart. Okay, so the definition of function is functions are block of reusable code that perform specific tasks. They help in organizing code, reducing the redundancy, and improving the readability. This is the definition of function. Okay, so we just go through our practical learning. So firstly, I will define void main function. Okay, and I will be also defining. Firstly, I like to define function at here string, and I will be given a function name as I just write function name. Okay, then by using the open brackets inside of this, which type of value we have to be given by using the data type as I'll be given string at here. Okay, string, and I'll be given a variable name as n. Okay, and open the curly braces. Okay, inside of the function we have to return our data by using return keyword. So I'll be giving return at here. Okay, return what was the actual variable name has been given to the above function that I'll be written at here. So I'll be given n at here. Okay, so I'll be printing inside of the void main function. I'll be printing this function. Okay, so I'll be giving string, and I'll be given a variable name as the result is equal to what was the actual function name we have given at here, that will be given at here. Okay, so I'll be copy paste the function name. Inside of the bracket we have to define the string function name at here. Okay, so the string function name we have to add what was the actual prompt to give at here. Okay, so I'll be giving alert. Okay, put a semicolon, and to print, okay, by using the print function we have to print the result, above result. Okay, perfect. So I'll be run my code here. The debug console will show. Yeah, perfect. The name will be printed perfectly, and I'll be add second name of the candidate plus operator by using the double quote marks. Just give a space, and I'll be given a name, and I'll be run my code here. Yeah, perfect. The candidate name fully run. Okay, so the next is I like to define the age of the candidate by using another function. Okay, firstly we defined one function, and secondly I will define one or more function. Okay, so I'll be define so actually I'll define at here an age. So age is an integer type, so I'll be define first data type as int. Okay, so and I'll be given function, just I'll given the name of function is function age. Okay, open the brackets. Inside of the brackets, what was the actual data type we have to be given? That's the same data type will be given here. Yeah, perfect. And a variable name will be given. I will be using yes as a variable name, and we have to return our function. So I'll be using return just give yes at here, put a semicolon. Yeah, perfect. And these are the functions we have to print at here. Okay, so I'll be giving like this manner again. Okay, so firstly int just I'll be given a name as value. Okay, so is equal to, and I'll be given this function name at here. Sorry, function name at here. Okay, and I'll be given is function age, and the next is what is the actual data will be printed to see the user that we have to given at here. So, and I'll be given the age is 22. Put a semicolon and be using print this by using the print function. Okay, and I'll be using value. Okay, perfect. And I'll be run my code here. Yeah, the name will be printed and the age will be printed. Perfect. So the function in OOPS, okay, in OOPS based concepts, in object oriented concept, the functions are written inside a class. Right here I am not written function inside of a class. Okay, then next I'll define or I'll write my function inside of my class. Okay, and I'll be using class at here. Okay, class name. Okay, pre-built function name at here. Okay, so I'll be given class name at here. Okay, yeah, wrap by using these curly braces. Okay, perfect. Here are two errors we found. Okay, how we can fix that? Inside of the main function we have to write or we have to define our class name by using instance. Okay, by using class object instance. Okay, and next we have to print this class inside of the functions by using inside of the void main function. We have to define our class name. Okay, define our class name. Okay, so I'll be using the class name and I'll be given an object name. Okay, there is a class inside of the class under several objects, isn't it? So I'll be given object name as just I'll be given is equal to, and I'll be again this class name will be writing. Okay, this is the class and this is the object. Okay, and the object and the class by using these brackets, put a semicolon at here. Yeah, perfect. And I'll be printing this object at here. Okay, so sorry, how can we fix this error of function names? Okay, so we will be written the function name as function name and the function age, isn't it? Inside of the class we defined a function and these are the functions we will given a name as function name and the function age. Here it is, error will be found by using this object. By using this object we have to write at here and put a dot, then the error will be fixed. I'll be sure. Okay, and Alan dot. Yeah, perfect. Then I'll be again given Alan dot. Yeah, the error will fix. Then I'll be run my code, the same results will be printed. Okay, yeah, the debug console will show Alan Varghese 2022. Okay, this is the way to write our functions inside of the class. Okay, so by using functions we have to define our functions in two ways inside of class. First one is objects and the second one is static, by using static keyword. Okay, so at here first we define by using the object. Okay, that's the code is written at here. Okay, so next I like to define by using the static function how to define our class function inside of the class. Okay, so I'll be using static at here. Okay, so I'll be using static at here and I'll be using static at here. Yeah, perfect. So the error will again found. This will line is I'll be removing it here. So how can we fix this error? By using the static keyword, how can we define our function? Okay, or functions, two functions inside of class by using our class name. Okay, by using our class name the error will fix. Okay, and I'll be given class name dot. Okay, class name dot, and I'll be again at here class name dot, the error will fixed. Okay, so these are the two ways to define functions inside of a class, by using object and by using static. Okay, so I'll be again a simple example to show how can we write a simple inbuilt function inside of the main function. Okay, so first I'll define a string data type at here and I'll be given a variable name as just name is equal to put a double quote marks, and I'll be again define one more name. I just write pivot. Okay, put a semicolon at here, then printing the result. Okay, printing the result, this name will be right at here, and I like to define or I like to print this name in uppercase letters. Okay, so how can I do? By using name dot to uppercase. Okay, to uppercase function. This is also a simple function in Dart. Okay, inside of the void main function we define, and I'll be run my code here. Yeah, perfect. The debug console will show effectively. Okay, this name is fully given at a uppercase letters. Okay, so these are called the functions. Okay, so I hope you understand it well. See you on next video. Keep coding. Take care.